So today we have a 04 Lexus GX470 in the shop. It's still running the over 20-year-old stock air ride system, but we're going to be upgrading that to an Old Man Emu spring and a 2-inch coil package with a Metal Tech coil conversion. We're also going to upgrade the fronts with some Old Man Emu upper control arms and shocks. We're going to do a wheel and tire package from Nitto and some rough country wheels, and then a DV8 rock slider kit, which is going to give this Lexus a whole new look. Let's see how this build's going. We'll get in the shop and see what Cole and Nate have worked out so far.
Thanks for listening. There we go. Alright, I'm done for the day. Oh, clip back here on top. Put there. That easy.
we got the rear of this Lexus converted over to those coils, and those factory airbags are gone. Let's move up to the front where we're going to put in some new shocks and finish up this build. We got some surprise with a little bit of rims and tires and some rock sliders that are going to go on too. So let's check in with Coil and see how it's going.
All right, after struggling with the suspension, air suspension on this 22-year-old Lexus, we got the air ride out and we got the static suspension, a little bit of lift kit, but now we have a air suspension light that's coming on and we need to disarm it, disengage it. So we're gonna get in here to the fuses. We're in the fuse box. All right, so on the bottom of the lid, we got all the fuses, relays. You want to look for air suspension, 50 amp, lined up. You can see how it lines up here. Air suspension, 50 amp. Pull it right out. And we want to look back. You got the air suspension, 10 amp. Down here. Pull that out. That's all there is to it. Now we'll button this up to make sure that light's off. We're going to remove these.